Today I will teach you how to connect your Canva account with your Google Drive. So let's get started. Let's go to Canva. Now, in order for you to connect your Canva account to Google Drive, you have to open a new document or new design. As for myself, I already have one open here. So there's a two steps. There's a two options to connect your Google Drive. So the first one, you will see sharing here, share button at the top right side. So click that share, then go down until you see more. You select more, go down, and then from there you will see Google Drive. Click that Google Drive, but for me I already connected my account, so there's no need for me to go back again. So yeah, if you click that Google Drive, you will follow the process. They will give you step-by-step process until you connect your account. And the other way is, you will see at the left side bar, you will see Google Drive. Now from there, from menu, you will scroll down, and there are many applications, but if you haven't connect them yet, like Instagram, Pixabay, if you haven't connect them yet, you will not see them here. So you have to connect them first, and one of them is Google Drive. So you click that Google Drive, and if your Google Drive is already connected, you will see like this is inside your Google Drive, your documents, everything, like your images and everything. So for myself, I already connected my Google Drive, so this is the process I follow. So yeah, and guys, if you think this tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can create more tutorial like this to help you in the future.